present the mementos to Mr. S. Arjuna. And to Mr. P.K. Patnaik. Now I would request Mr. A.S. Jhalla to present the mementos to Mr. K.K. Murthy and Mr. Shailesh Purohit. Now I would like to request Mr. U.C. Mishra to present a memento to Shri V.K. Lakhiani, the Director Technique, with independent charge for power, coal and new and renewable energy in the Government of India. He is currently a member of Rajya Sabha. He is a rank holder as Chartered Accountant besides being ranker in law from Mumbai University. Honorable PM has found in him ablest minister to shoulder the charge of 3 ministries which he is handling very ably, and as such power sector has been brought on track and showing excellent result by resolving the most pressing and vexed issues of shortage of fuel, thereby increasing the power generation and enlisting sizable investment for transmission and distribution segments of power sector. He is determined to provide 24/7 power supply to all by 2090. So a round of applause for him, please. Now I would request Shri Anil Agarwal ji to welcome our Honorable Minister Shri Piyush Goyal ji with a bouquet. Now, I would call Shri Anil Agarwal ji to deliver a keynote address.
Eason MR Tap Changers Limited, Messrs. Sentry Depressurization Systems Private Limited, Bangalore. Round of applause, please. Messrs. JB Industries, Bhatinda. Messrs. International Copper Association India, New Delhi. Messrs. EI DuPont India Private Limited, Gurgaon. Messrs. M&I Materials India Private Limited, New Delhi. Messrs. Unique Green Energy Technology Private Limited, Bangalore. Messrs. Savita Oil Technologies Limited, New Delhi. Messrs. Electrical Research and Development Association, Vadodara. And Mr. Vineet Dagar, Exhibition Director from Brandscope Exhibitions, New Delhi.
To come in, it's ultimately somebody from in this room who's bringing it and who's using it, right? I have just directed the CPRI that they should give awards to people who will tell us and inform us who are the culprits who are using bad quality material. But that is for y'all to do.
Yeah.
So don't keep crying about the customs or about CPRI or about testing. Act on it. If you are willing to be honest, Mr. Agarwal, you and your colleagues in the industry, then please immediately complain. After all, if 5 people are the bad rotten eggs in your industry who are importing, that is why that material is coming. Right? I am a chartered accountant. If all chartered accountants stop giving a bribe to the income tax officer, obviously the bribing system will stop. एक बार तंग करेगा, 2 बार करेगा, 4 बार कर लेगा, 5वीं बार तो उसको ऑर्डर देना पड़ेगा ना. 2 बार 4 बार ऑर्डर भी गलत दे देगा, फिर आप कंप्लेन करोगे, फिर हम इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे कि ऑर्डर के पीछे क्या था.
Was remaining before for the felicitation, Vineet Dagar. I would request Shri Anil Agarwal to give a token of love and appreciation to our Honorable Minister, Shri Piyush Goyal ji.
We wanted to present a memento to Honorable Minister, but he has said that he does not accept any gifts or mementos. I respect his sentiments and we will not give him anything. Thank you.
Best memento is quality transformers.
We will give you some.
And now I would like to call upon Shri S.R. Bhatt to give the vote of thanks.
Paper 3. Any authors from paper 3, please come on the stage.
Paper 3 authors.
Thank you. Now I would request Shri Rajiv Bhave, the reporter, to continue with the presenting of mementos. To Mr. Praveen K. Prabhu. Paper 5 author, please come on the stage. Paper 6 author, Mr. Ramchandra Pillai, Mr. Sandeep Kundargi, Mr. Chintamani Chitnis, the Tata Power Company Limited. Mr. Kevin J. Rapp,